we've talked enough. Geralt, you're with me, Lambert with Eskel, Ciri with the dummy.
Again?
Stop groaning and grab a sword.
Let's go.
What do you think? Should we start by reviewing the fundamentals or go right to free training?
Was ist jetzt aber die Frage? Die Frage, wenn es einfach so billiges Start-Tutorial ist, nachher lohnt es sich nicht, aber wenn nicht, naja, mal schauen. Sonst kann ich das dann skippen im Video.
Draw your sword, Geralt.
Also, alle möglichen Viecher bekämpfen, Gegner, bla bla, Swords, Magic, Alchemie, okay. Und, okay, mit Z, ist das amerikanisch Z? Ja, amerikanisch Z. Okay.
Give it all you got. Never lock your elbow when striking.
Hä? Was, wie? Left Shift?
Tomfoolery. Enough.
Left Shift. So.
Position, Ciri. Footwork. Remember.
Wow. Okay, Dodge. Okay, das hat sich doch noch gelohnt, dass ich das Tutorial schnell mache.
Ciri, see how Geralt holds his sword? It's angled.
Komm.
Pretend now, live later. Riposte! Strike! Counter-strike!
Aha, okay. Muss ich im richtigen Moment timen, kann man gerade parieren.
Come on, at them!
Komm.
Now, young lady, to bring the day to a close, we'll go over a few witches' signs. Let's start with Quen.
Also Queen, protect shields.
Ciri, Quen is sometimes called the Witcher's Shield. Now watch carefully to see why.
Okay. Fit.
Cast Igni, Geralt. I want to see sparks fly. See? If not for the Quen sign, I'd be aflame by now.
Oh, jetzt bist
All right, Geralt. Come on.
Oh. Come on, come on. Was
What
muss
the
ich?
blazes are you doing?
Was muss ich machen? Ignis oder was?
See that, Ciri? Ard will knock anyone or anything off balance.
Au.
Time for Axie. Damn it. I hate this feeling.
Axie.
Ugh. Axie can really muddle your mind. Erden now. Show her, Geralt.
Und Erden.
What the? See this, Ciri? Couldn't move if I wanted to. Throw a bomb. Don't worry, Ciri. Quen will dampen the blow.
Okay. Das war's. Okay, hat's doch noch gebracht, hä? Gut. Oh. Okay, geht noch schnell. Also eben, die Idee, wieso ich überhaupt Witcher anspielen ist eigentlich, hat echt den Grund, weil es eben so Rollenspiel und Storylastig ist. Kann es für euch als Zuschauer trotzdem recht spannend sein, mir zuzuschauen, weil je nachdem, was ich für Entscheidungen treffe und so. Und das Spielerlebnis kann für euch dann auch ganz anders sein. Also es kann gut, also gewisse Sachen werden trotzdem werden Spoiler, es wird fast nicht anders möglich sein. Aber trotz allem könnte es gleich noch spannend werden. Aber eben, wie gesagt, ich weiß nicht, ob ich es durchziehe, aber man sieht es. Solange es mir Spaß macht halt. Okay. So. Hey, wow! Alter!
Whoa! You really showed him, kid.
Ciri, get down here.
A little she-devil. Soon as she's back, we'll set her to polishing all the swords at Kaer Morhen.
Find that helmet?
Jo, was ist?
Ciri? I'll make sure to find every last blade for you. What then?
Hä? Ist da ein Typ drin?
Vesemir.
Okay.
Atlan awaited this, and you, White Wolf.
No. Das ist jetzt nicht so nett. Ah, das war ein Flashback gewesen. Okay. Macht Sinn. Der Vesemir ist auch da.
You all right?
Had a nightmare.
About?
Take forever to explain.
Dawn's some way off. We've got time.
Ah, das ist Kaer Morhen. Ja, reden wir noch ein bisschen drüber.
Started in the guest room at Kaer Morhen. I was relaxing in the tub, and next to me,
Triss?
Yennefer. Funny, isn't it? She's never been there. Seemed so real in my
Ah,
dream.
das war keine Erinnerung, sondern ein
Was she
Traum.
nagging you about something? True to life, indeed. We'll find her.
In the dream, I went and found Ciri. Then we trained.
Those were the days. Little she-devil. I've trained kids who were faster, stronger, but none had her character. Didn't end well, did it? Your dream?
No.
Nein, nicht wirklich.
A wild hunt appeared, attacked Ciri.
Wild
I couldn't
Hunt.
move, stood there like a stump.
It was just a dream.
Ja, vielleicht ist es wirklich
That's
etwas.
the problem. It was more. In the past, when Ciri'd appear in my dreams, something was wrong. She was in danger.
We taught her how to defend herself from anything, wraiths included.
Ja, gehen wir doch, es ist doch eh
Be
morgen.
dawning soon.
Ja.
Time to go.
Wait. Show me the letter from Yennefer. Might have overlooked some hint in there.
Didn't overlook anything. We were meant to meet in Willoughby. That's what she wrote. Meanwhile, one army or another burned the village to the ground. All we can do is follow her trail, so...
Stop
Nope.
talking for a minute and give me the letter. Oh, how about that? It does smell of lilac and gooseberries.
You were gonna read it, not sniff it.
We must meet soon. Willoughby near Vizima. Nothing else to guide us there. What's this postscript? I still have the unicorn?
Was? Used it as a bad once.
Stuffed unicorn. Used it once or twice. In certain
So. Kinky oder was?
situations.
The things young folk get up to these days.
Back on topic. How's it look? How far behind Yennefer are we?
2 or 3 days. Trail's fresh, but it looks like it leads towards the main road. Could be muddled there. Wait, hear that?
I hear it. I smell it.
Oh,
Ghouls.
ghouls. Ja? Oh. Ah, protect shield. Fire damage. Nächste. Oh nice, das ist so schön gewechselt. Jetzt ist mittags. Du, machst du auch etwas? Okay, und da kann ich noch irgendwelche Speziallisten noch.
Armies pass, necrophages follow. Let's go before any more show up.
So. Food. Was? Okay, das heisst, ich habe keine Regeneration. What the fuck? Das ist noch gut zu wissen.
Ever tell you about this sorcerer I knew? Couldn't stop talking about how useful they are as creatures.
Ah, okay. Roach.
Come on.
Because you can brew potions from their blood?
No.
Mit
Because
einem
by eating
Schwertag.
rotting corpses, they prevent epidemics.
Did he know they eat the living as well?
No. Really upset him too. His theory collapsed.
Komm, bewegen wir uns ein bisschen. Aber, geht doch.
War's not exactly going our way.
Let's go.
We have a side.
The Northern Realms.
Radovid's realms, don't you mean? Temeria and Edirn are no
Okay,
more.
und noch genau.
Radovid's pledged to restore the old borders as soon as he wins the war.
Believe that?
Wo ist's?
Gotta believe something. It's what keeps us going.
Ist das Stamina? Das sehe ich gar nicht. Oh, scheiße. Oh. Habe ich Zeit oder habe ich keine Zeit? Ich habe da Zeit. Oh, das ist aber so schnell gegangen. Hey.